So today I am cooking a one pot with black rice and chicken and carrot, cilantro, and also rosemary. So, oh yeah, and I forgot to mention bay leaf. So I'm going to add 1 to 2 bay leaves inside. Let me wash them off. So all washed, drop them in here, and this is the rosemary, and this is the cilantro. Yeah, so this recipe we are going to do also with let me see here, we have some whipped cream and with broccoli. Yeah, that's all what is coming into the pot. It's like a cream soup. I forgot to mention, yeah, cheese is coming inside it. So we have chicken, we have cheese, we have black rice, we have whipped cream, we have cilantro, we have rosemary, we have onions, and we have the broccoli. All of that is what is coming into that one pot, so to say, something like a rice stew. So I hope you like it, and I will leave the menu name. The menu. I will leave the recipe. I will leave the recipe and the ingredients in the description box below. I'm talking like I own a restaurant already. Yeah, anyway, that's it for now, and as usual I will show you the results of our whole food. So see you. No, you will see me in my next video. Okay, bye. Let's
mix
The dates of tiramisu were 205 years when tiramisu died in Haram.
it was not tiramisu. So this is how far we have come. I just add the whipped cream to it. It tasted good already on its own, but now with the whipped cream it tastes even better. And now I am going to put the broccoli inside and also cheese. So I washed the broccoli and now they are going to drop inside. Let me turn on that. And they don't need it too long. And now I'm going to add the cheese. And it's Emmentaler cheese. Here comes the cheese. Here comes the cheese. Okay. Another portion. We have to mix it that everybody get cheese later. Nobody can say, oh, there's one get more cheese than me. Good. And here my garbage is gone. And still more comes, but at least it's empty. They took it away today, so we're starting again with the plastic collecting. Okay, now I'm going to mix. That looks nice already, isn't it? Ooh, that looks delicious. Wow, look at them cheese. Now, let me taste. So, this is some pepper is missing, but otherwise it's delicious. Delicious. I wonder where I have my pepper. Let me go searching for my pepper. So, finally find my cayenne pepper, and now I'm going to add some inside there. This cayenne pepper is very weak, I must say. It doesn't have much strength. Okay, that's good to go. Now we mix one more time, and we don't want it to burn. Woo. So that's it, my darlings. The dinner is finished. Woo. Good. Okay. Oh, let me can't see properly. Okay, as I said again, thanks for watching, and look out for more recipes, and you will see me in my next video. Bye.